Hi, this is Jen Dukes. Probably some of you are already have kids or babies, and probably some of you are planning to get a photographer for a photo shoot. So, for today's vlog, I'm gonna teach you how to do DIY baby photo shoot. Tara, let's! Ano-ano nga ba ang mga materials na ginamit ko for the photo shoot? First off is a small laundry basket half filled with clothes. Ito yung mga damit ni baby na madudumi na. So ayan yung ginamit ko. Second is 2 soft and furry blankets. Ito yung pamatong mo dun sa maduduming damit ni baby. And then, a white cloth to cover the body or private area of the baby. So, kung babae naman yung anak nyo, pwede kayong humanap ng malaki-laking white cloth to cover the whole body. Last one is camera. In that photos, I just used my phone's camera, but I think it still turned out great naman. Nasa pag-edit lang talaga yan, guys. Editing is the key. Hindi ako pro, but natutunan ko lang siya as time passed by. Sa pag-edit naman, Lightroom app yung ginagamit ko. Disclaimer, hindi po ito sponsored. Explore lang. I hope you guys learn from it, and you also read my blog in my website. Link will be at my description box below. That's all for today. Bye!